For today session, we're going to exploring add-ons. So if you notice, there's plenty add-ons offered by Google to be used with their product. Okay. So what is add-ons? I will let you know later on. Okay. So today you're going to learn what is add-on and how to use it, how to apply it. So we're going to have G Suite Marketplace. So everything is here. Okay, let me just click on it. Oops. Okay. So this is the one. This is the G Suite Marketplace. So similar like Chrome Web Store. Let me just show you. This is Chrome Web Store. Okay, so this is the Chrome Web Store. So previously, people are using this to add additional extension to create a theme for your Google Chrome. So the extension, as you can see right here, I have this. Okay, this is what I have an extension for my Chrome. So this is the extension. Okay, so now they are moving everything in here from Chrome Web Store to here, to G Suite Marketplace. So here, okay. So also it's available for everyone, but then you make sure that you have your Google account, because in order for you to install the extension, of course you need to make sure that you are logged in to your Google account. So even though, let's say I'm using this laptop to install everything, to install the extension, and then when I log in into a different laptop, my extension will still be there for me. Okay. So again, yeah, Chrome Web Store is still available. Yes, yes, you still can use it. You still can install everything else from here. It's still there. Don't worry, you still can use it. It just right now, since actually January 2019, they start shifting little bit by little bit. Yeah. So Chrome Web Store still available. You can still can use it, but then again, I will recommend you for use the G Suite Marketplace, because everything else right now is moving in here. Okay, don't worry. Not everything. I will say most of the extension is free, but some you need to pay. Some you need to pay, and most of it is free. All right. So you can search for an apps here by using the top chart here, and also you can search by categories. They have business tool, productivity, education, and then utilities. They have plenty of option there. And then if you go down a bit, you can search for an apps, for an add-on based on apps. For example, here works with Drive. So they will show you apps that can work well, extension that can work well with your Google Drive, extension can work well with your Gmail, calendar, and so on. How to install an app? It's easy. So after you already look for an apps that you would like to install, that add-on that you would like to use, after reading, oh, this is good, I might benefit a lot from it. So what you do, you just open it. So just click on the apps. Right here, I have a Screencastify video apps for me, for example here. Okay, the reason why I want to use this, because these apps actually record my screen, and then later on I can create, sorry, the video that it capture. I can save it as MP4, and it will be inside my drive. So if I want to have a screen recorder, so this is the one I use, Screencastify video recorder. Okay. So after you click on install, it will ask you get ready to install. So you just click continue. It will be the same for all apps. Okay, just install and then click continue. After that, they will ask you to choose account, because some people are using their laptop for different accounts. So they will ask you again for which accounts that you would like this app to be installed to. Again, even though right now I'm using this current laptop, and then later on if I open it in my other laptop, the extension will be there. That's why they ask you for which account you would like to install this extension. So just choose your account, and then it will ask you manage your YouTube account, and whatever access they needed, it will present there, and then you click allow. Okay, after you click allow, that's mean right here if you have the screen, okay, it's already in your apps launcher account. So if you notice, here is my apps launcher. Okay, this is my apps launcher. So you click done, and then when I click on my apps launcher apps here, and then I scroll down, and then there you go. I will find my apps right here. If you just scroll down, and then you will be able to see the extension there. How to uninstall? Uninstall is easy as well. There's two ways for you to uninstall your apps. The first one is from the G Suite Marketplace itself by opening the apps like this. So you click uninstall, and then they will ask you, are you sure? Then you just click uninstall app, and then that's it. It's already uninstalled. The second method is if you go to your G Suite Marketplace, and then you go to this setting, like G icon up there, click on it, and then manage apps. And then here you have all your installed okay, this is all your installed app. It will be appear right here. You will see all the one that installed. For example, mine here is under the company, so I can see the one installed by my admin, means by my company. So this one installed by me, like for my personal use. If this one, that's mean everybody with the domain at Solves247 be able to use this extension. Okay, apps installed by you. So here you can see all the apps installed. And then how to uninstall, you just click on the menu button, so it will be the three dot. Click on it and just press uninstall, and then that's it. Okay, for today, I'm only going to show you, our focus is only this 5 topic. I'm going to demonstrate these 5. Google Drive add-ons, Gmail add-ons, Google Doc add-ons, Google Sheets add-on, and also Google Slides. Okay, the very first one, I'm going to show you the Google Drive add-on. Okay, again, so the easy way for you to find the add-ons that's suitable, you need to scroll down and just look for Works with Drive. Okay, Works with Drive means that this app is working for your Drive and it is an add-on for your Drive. So just click Works with Drive. So like I just showed you just now, the demo for today, it will be Screencastify video editor. So this is the one. So this is the number of user who using the apps currently, you will see. And this is the icon for which apps, which Google apps are suitable for this extension. Okay, so this is the icon. So for example, here you can see 2 icons, means that these apps work with Google Drive and also Google Slides. So just click on it. So this is the app to show you. Okay, so this is the app. But this app, it's only the free version. Okay, this is the free version. The free version only allowed me to have up to 5 minutes. I can only record my screen up to 5 minutes. If you need more, then you need to purchase the premium one. So the trial is only for 3 days. So if you need more than 5 minutes, you need to purchase the premium version. I mean, if you go down, there will be like an overview. So this is all about the product. Okay. Okay, this is all about the product. So what you can do with it. So just see if it's the one that you are looking for. Okay, just see if it's the one that you're looking for. For this one is to capture my screen, to record my screen, and also not only to record my screen, even though you have a video that already existing in your Google Drive and you want to trim it, so you want to edit it, you can do the same as well. Okay, you can do the same as well to trim your video, to slice your video. You can do it as well in here. Okay, so okay, let me just show you how to install. Let me just uninstall the app. Okay, so this is the one that I want to use. So after reading it, okay, that's good, I want to use it. Then you just go here, install. Okay, need your permission, and then you just continue. They will ask you for your account, which account you want to use. All right, they are installing. All right, now it say that it's already installed and you are good to go. Just click done. Okay, sometimes it's not there. If it's not there, you need to refresh. Okay, now it's here. So just click on it. Start using it. It will ask you to sign in again because they are using Google Drive. So just sign in. Choose your account. Alright, so this is the one. Okay, so you can capture your screen. So it's an extension. You don't have to download any software. It's not a software. This is an extension. They have 3 days trial. Again, after the trial, you still can use it. However, it's only the video can only be up to 5 minutes. It's only can be up to 5-minute video. Okay, after the trial, it will be a 5-minute video, and then you can also add clips. So the video can be from your you can upload it from your PC or it can be from your drive, and then after you're done, you can download as an MP4. You can also upload it back into your Google Drive after you happy with your video. Okay. So this is the one. So after you install, it's easy to use. Okay. Not only that, they have plenty of apps for Drive. If you can search here, work with Drive. So they have a lot of options. So it depends the need and what kind of apps are you looking for, because they have a lot of option for you. And here you can see how many users are using it. So if you scroll down, there are plenty of option. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show a Gmail add-ons. So again, if you scroll down, you will see works with Gmail. Click on it. And then you will see all the apps that works with Gmail. Again, you will see the icon right here. So there's a Gmail account here. Okay, so for today, I'm going to show you how am I going to use Trello for Gmail. So I like to use Trello for Gmail. So click on it. So Trello for Gmail. So if you open up your Gmail, you will see Trello on your left side. What it did is, whenever I have a new Gmail, so I can automatically transform it into a Trello. So I'm going to demo. Okay. Gmail. Okay, let's say I want to use this one. Wait up. Trello for Gmails, work with Gmails. So it will show you it is what kind of add-on. So it's Gmail add-on. Okay, so my Trello is already here. So this is the Trello add-on that I would like to use. So first you open up your email, the one that you want to use as your Trello. So here, you just click on Trello. So it's transform my email into a Trello task. So here it will ask you what kind of board you want to put it in. Okay, if you have more than one, there are a lot of things will be here. And then they have a list, again, list that you have created in your Trello as well. So let's say this one is to do. Okay, name, it will follow the title of your email. Okay, the title of your email. And then here is the description that whatever happened here, see, it will be right here. So you can edit it here. You can edit everything there. Okay, once you're done with it, you can even set a due date and so on. Then you just click add. Let's just say you can put due date or you can just leave it. So for my case here, for the demo, I will not add anything else. I just click add. So if I go to view and Trello, so this is my Trello. Okay, so this is my Trello. Okay. So it will show here the title, what list is it, and then description. Okay, it will be right here. So here, Katie, personal, private. So this is my Trello. So it will be here in the to-do list. So if I go down, right here, it will be there. Okay, that one. And also there's a lot of other extension that you would like to use. So you just can scroll down and then just see what kind of actually it depends on you, what kind of apps that you are using, and then what kind of apps that you like to integrate and work with each other. So there's a plenty of lists if you can scroll down. Okay, so I'm just showing you the one that I'm been using, but yeah, feel free to explore to the other apps, because the other apps is going to work also the same. If you're using works with Gmail, it will appear on your right side right here. Okay, if you choose the one for the Google Drive just now, the Screencastify, it will be on your here, on your Google Apps menu. Okay, it will be right here on your Google Apps menu. That's how you want to search for your add-ons. Okay, add-ons for Gmail, it will be on your right side of your Gmail. Whenever you open it, it will take a little bit longer than to a little bit longer. It will come out this side, this part first, then only the one that add-ons will appear. So you need to wait a little bit longer for it to appear and ready to use. Okay. That's Gmail. Now Google Doc. For add-ons for Google Doc, the one that I'm going to show you. Okay, so again here, you just choose Works with Doc. And then the one that I'm going to show you here is Translate Plus. Translate Plus. Okay, you search for Translate Plus. Okay, so if you open up your Google Doc, it will be on your add-on side. Okay, there will be File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, and then Add-ons. So if you click on Add-ons, this is the add-ons that I already installed. I have also other add-ons. Okay, so now okay, so there's a lot of add-ons that I already installed, but for now, I'm going to show you the Translate Plus. How it works. So after you already install Translate Plus, this is how you use it. Okay, so here, add-ons. So here I have other add-ons as well, but for today I'm going to show you the Translate Plus. You can also get add-ons from here, direct from your Google Doc. So here, Translate Plus. Click Start. So add-ons will appear on your right side. Okay, so you need to select the text. So the original text right here, what language is it? So I choose here Malay, and then I want to translate it to English. Okay, so you just click translate. Sorry, you need to highlight, and then you click translate, and then it will translate it into here from Malay. It will translate it into English. So it's not necessary to be accurate. Okay, sometimes it's not, sometimes it is. Okay, so here you make sure that you highlight first properly, and then it will appear here the translation. Okay, I noticed that a lot of questions. I will go now one by one. Wait, okay, let me just go up from the top. Okay, Mr. Chong. How will we know what the app does? Will it be a description or preview? Okay, Chong. Okay, for here, yes, you can see the preview, and also there is a description. For example, here Asana. Okay, so here is the screenshot of the apps. How will it works? Okay, you will find a description, and also you will find a video for every apps right here that exists in the G Suite marketplace. You will find a video. The video will explain to you what is the usage of each of the apps. Okay, so if you also go down the overview, the very first one will be always bold. You will see this is the function of these particular apps. So here, Asana for Gmail help you to turn your email into tasks. Okay, Asana is similar like Trello. It's more like a task to-do list. Okay, it's more like a task list, a to-do list. What should you do? Is it complete? Is it not? It's more like to-do list. Okay. And then right here, you can also read everything else. Sometimes if it's a trial version, it will also mention right here. This is a trial version. You need to pay similar. Let's go to the I show you with okay, this one here. Okay, remember the first one, it will be in bold. So this one is the you can say the main thing, what does this app does. So they will mention you what is it about. And then down here normally they will let you know, is it a trial version, is it a free version. Like Asana, they didn't mention anything because this is a total free apps. That's why they didn't mention anything there. So if it's trial, usually they will mention here. They will mention at the bottom. And then you can also see user experience with the apps. If you just scroll down, there's a review of a user, that how does it work, do they like it, how many stars also given. So you will see there when was the feedback given. Okay, because sometimes I understand you are not sure what does is it good, does the apps good, does it work. So you can also read people review to see if you really wants to install it or not. Okay, other question. Okay, OBS, yes, OBS is a software, but then please remember the Screencastify, it's up to 5 minutes. The free version, it's only limit you up to 5 minutes. It cannot go longer than 5 minutes. Yeah. Um, Sometimes cannot be installed. Okay, if sometimes the apps cannot be installed, no. If apps is nothing to do with your Windows, but you might want to check your Chrome version, because this app is doesn't need a software. It's not a software. It's more like an extension. It's only need you to use your Chrome. It doesn't need you to install anything to your PC. It's only it's only work together with your account with your Chrome. Okay, if it's maybe also if there is any problem, there might be you might want to check if they already stop maintaining the apps, because sometimes the developer already stop working on the apps. So if there is any error, no one is actually working to fix it. So you might also want to check when was the last update. You want to check if it's still active. Maybe if you want to check, maybe the apps doesn't longer exist in your Chrome. That's why you cannot use it anymore. So you might want to check all that again, because this is extension. So it's the developer is not Google. It's someone outside. Even if you want to develop something, it's doable for you to develop something that you think is useful. Again, it's not Google who's the one who maintaining all the apps right there. So maybe if the apps is corrupt, high chance that the developer is not maintaining the apps anymore, or maybe the apps is not even available anymore in the G Suite Marketplace or Chrome Web Store. So that can be the problem. Nothing to do with your Windows. Okay. Yes, you can also search by typing on the search bar. The search bar is right here. Search apps is right here. So just search, and then anything that you need, it's appear on the top. Yep, this is the search bar. So you just type something on it, and then you just can search for it. Yeah, this is the search bar for G Suite Marketplace. If you don't know the name of the apps, you can search by any keywords that you can remember, or what, for example, I was just say screen record. So here is the apps that appear for the keyword. So you can also search by keyword if you don't know the name of the apps. or if you know the app is for what Google Drive application, so you just search for the application and then you just search from there as well. It's doable. Okay. Trello. Okay, Trello is I use it for more like a to do list, and also I can share it with my colleague, with my friend. This is more like a to-do list. So here I have a few to-do lists. Okay, to-do list on you also. This is card. So each one is card. So I have plenty. It's more like a post-it note, I will say. This is like a more like a post-it note. This is more like a post-it note. So if you have a list, so this is my list, to-do list, doing list, SOP list, and then on hold list. And then here you can add on card. Okay. Let's just make sure that I click on here. And then you want to add someone else to help you to work on it. So this is Trello. Okay. This is Trello. Trello is like a to-do list. Nothing else than that. So normally sometimes my work list from my Gmail is something that I need to do. So that's why I'm using Trello. So I just move the things that I need to do into my Trello. So I can see it in my Trello like every day when I open it. Oh, I have things to do here. Here is not done. That's why the use of Trello. It's not filing system. It's only to do list. I'm sorry. Yeah, I can read your comment. I'm sorry. I just only recognize it. Um, this thing is only the extension is only work for Chrome apparently. It will not work with the Mozilla Firefox. This extension is only for Chrome. It's only for Chrome extension. It will not work with Mozilla Firefox, unfortunately. Okay. Alright, so yep. Okay, so here we go again. So this is Google Doc. So I have a few add-ons that I use a lot. So the one that I'm showing you here is Translate Plus. The Translate Plus, you just highlight and it will translate for you from which language to what language that you wish to translate it. Okay, so that's Translate Plus for Google Doc. So now Google Sheets add-on. Again, you just go to work with Sheets. Here I'm going to use Lucidchart Diagrams. Okay, Lucidchart Diagram. Okay, Lucidchart Diagram. So now I'm going to demo from my Google Sheets. Okay, Lucidchart diagram is for you to use if you have a diagram, the flow. So sometimes the flow that you need to create, if you are doing this, where to go, what else to do after that. So I'm using here the Lucidchart diagrams. It's also there are also a lot of things that you can use here. Okay, just search if you want to use it. Just search and then you can go and see what kind of app is it. So for example here, I'm going Lucidchart diagram. Click on it. So here is the one that it shows me. I can share my diagram right here into one. And then here it's why Lucidchart, because it's allow team collaboration. So more than one person can work on the diagram, can fix the diagram. So like here, for example, they have a lot of shapes. So it's used by a lot of company. So as always, there will be a video in every apps. They will show you what does it does and how to use it. Okay, if you go to overview, here the first one will be in bold. So it will tell you what does it does. Okay, and then you can just read what does it does. and then there's more explanation on the apps. You go down. Here will be the review. If you go down, there will be a review. Okay. You can also post a comment. Either you had it, you like it or not. So you can post your comment and submit your review. So here we go again. Lucidchart diagram. So I just move this first. Okay, again, go to add-on. Go to your add-on. So here I have Lucidchart diagram. So insert diagram. So again, the add-on will appear on your right side of your document. Doesn't matter Google Doc, Google Slide, Google Sheets. The add-on will be on your right side. Right. Okay, so here. So love, let me just close this. This is for preview. Okay. So you can create new, right here. Create a new diagram. So you can come out with your diagram from plenty of diagram here. Like you have example, you have flowchart, network. If you go down, the one with the key lock here, this one is for premium account only. You can use it. There's no. You can use this. You can use this, but however, if you wish to use this kind of diagram, you need to purchase the premium, or you can start your trial. So but this one is more like a developer one, so normally they will purchase it. But if you just want a simple diagram, you don't have to purchase it, because the one, for example, the organization chart here, you don't have to purchase, it's free. The floor plan is free. Network, but the one advanced one, mind map here, iPhone, iPad, Android, it's you need to purchase the premium version. But if you want to use the normal one, no, you don't have to pay anything, it's free. For example here, organization chart. When I click it, so it will open up the Lucidchart. So once load, you can already edit it. Just give me a moment. Meanwhile, I check your comment. Trial period. There's no trial period, but for additional features like the one that I show, additional diagram like iPhone, Android, that kind of thing. Some other diagram you need to pay. It's only for premium, but no trial period. You can always use it. Okay. Oops. Nope. Okay. So this is the one. Because for the for the premium, you have multiple shapes. For the free version, it's only a simple shapes. Okay, if you're using only for simple one, you don't have to have the premium version. Okay, if you are more complicated organization and you need more shapes, because sometimes if you notice not all shapes is available there, because this is for more like a simple task. And then you need to purchase the premium version. Okay. So you can share it with your other colleague right here. So this is the share button. So it's almost similar with other product. It's always a share button on the right side. So you can just share your project with your colleague, so your colleague also can work on the same chart. So right here, I already have diagram. So let's say I'm using this one, SOP. So just click on it. So you can always edit your diagram. So here for my case, I'm just going to insert my diagram. Insert. So it's right here. So okay, your insert. So it will be there. Okay. So if you just click here, you can always delete image. So the diagram that you transfer, it will become an image. It will not become something that you can edit. The one that if you wish to edit, you need to edit when you're copy the diagram into your Google Sheet. When that process happen, you can edit. But after you insert it into your sheets, it will become an image. You cannot edit the diagram from here. Okay, so that's for Google Sheets diagram. So Google Slides add-on. So here again, we look for works with slide. I'm going to demo Pear Deck. So apparently Pear Deck is only 90 days free, but it's super cool. That's why I wish to show it to you, even though maybe because it's not always free, people will not use it. But just to show you the features, why is it cool? This is Pear Deck for Google. Okay. This is slide add-ons. The reason, okay, Google Slide Pear Deck. So I'll just open Pear Deck. Okay, Pear Deck is interactive presentation. Okay, interactive presentation. So you use your Google Slide. Okay, let me just. Okay, oopsie. So I'm going to demonstrate from here. Add-ons, Pear Deck. Pear Deck is, I can say it's almost, it's similar with Google Classroom. So the teachers will have code that they will share with their student. Okay, you have code that you will share with your student. So your student will see your presentation. Okay, the student will see your presentation. So similar like you are seeing my presentation when I press present. So that what will your student see? Okay, you need to start lesson and then you will given the code. But the different thing is the student will be able to have interactive, I will say, question and answer, because here, as a teacher, you can have this type of question inside your slide and student can interact with it. Student can click with it. Student can choose the answer. So here, if you, this is the peer deck, okay. So if I scroll down, this is the type of question available for you. That this thing is clickable by the student. So you can ask question. For example, here I'll just go with choice. Okay, I'll just go with choice. Just to demo. Peer Deck is 90 days premium version. Okay. So as teacher, you can see their answer. Okay, as student, they can only choose. They can choose is it A or B. As teacher, you will see their answer instantly during that time as well. Okay. So here, let's just say betul. Salah. Update slide. Okay. So in here, when the students see it, there will be an option for them either to answer yes or no. Okay, answer yes or no. Okay. So this is almost similar, but the thing is, to be honest, the peer deck is quite heavy. That's why I try. Okay, let's just try to load. This is, to be honest, the peer deck is quite heavy. Okay. This is quite heavy. It takes sometimes to load. Okay, this is for you to control. But for the student, you need to ask them to go to peerdeck.com/peer. Sorry, peerdeck. edtech.com/join. Okay, you ask them to go to this website to key in the class code. Yeah, this Pear deck is quite, like I said, it's quite heavy. There's a lot of things that needs to upload. They have a lot of graphic. They have a lot of videos, images. That's why, to be honest, it's quite heavy. So if your student have a strong connection, you can use this. But if your student not, they will have difficulty to access. Again, the reason being is this extension required a lot of images to be uploaded because it's interactive session. So I will not be able to show you again, the reason being because this thing itself is quite heavy. But yeah, after the class, after the session, feel free to have a look. So that's how it works. So as a teacher, you will have the code which you share with your student. Okay, I will close it for now. Okay, so let me just go through your question. All right, sorry for not be able to show it. Okay, limited to how many students? There's no limit for that. There's no limit for that. When we share document or project to the collaborator with colleague, must she use Gmail so that whenever change done, you will auto update. If we have Gmail account, we cannot still send to her email, right? A document or project to be collaborated with a colleague. The one that needs to work with Google Doc accounts must have Google Doc accounts. The one who wish to work with Google apps, that person must have Google accounts. Else they cannot. Can I send to Yahoo? You means you just want to share your document? If you wish only to share your document, that person can view depend on your access. Because right here, when you share, right here is the one that you can control. If that particular person that you know doesn't have Gmail, but you wish that person to edit your document, just go ahead, choose this either two. Okay, go ahead and choose either these two, and then you can always change this one to can edit. Or I will say you just go with this one, anyone with the link, and then edit. So you share with your colleague the link, so that person without Gmail account can go and access your document and edit it. So this is one way. So you go to advanced. I'll show you one more time. Wait, share. You go to advanced. So you go to here. Right now, the one who have access is private. Only me have the access. Click on change. So right here, no sign in required means that person doesn't have to have a Gmail account. So if that person doesn't have Gmail account, you click either these two. Okay, if you click this one, here you can change the access, edit comment. So let's say you can edit, you just save, and then you share the link with your colleague, so your colleague can go into the document without any Gmail account and can edit it. No, you don't have to upload it back to your drive because it's Google document. So if it's Google document, Google document, Google Sheets, Google Slide, Google Form, you don't have to. There's no save button. There's no save button, so you can always whatever changes made on it, I will just show you. Okay. Let's say you notice right here, yeah, all changes saved in Drive. So whenever I click something, it will say saving, and when I stop, all changes saved in Drive. So whatever changes made, Google will automatically save it for you. So you don't have to upload, download, upload, download. No, you don't have to do that. It's only, it will be saved automatically. Let's say in the middle of your work, even though there's suddenly no internet connection,